Okay, so the next thing to look at is these rigid structures in the center of the puppet. And at this point it's useful to consider both your front and your side profile drawing. So what we want to create is something that's got a slightly sophisticated shape. It looks like it would fit inside this external structure. And we're going to use the Sculpey Ultralight that I introduced earlier. So this material here. And as a modelling material, it's not the best. It's quite soft, it's very elastic, and it feels very like marshmallow or meringue. It's very, very light, but it's not the nicest thing to model with. So we need to begin to build these structures around these joints here. And what I've found is if you simply go straight to the wire with this material and you start to model, very, very quickly the material starts to get loose on the wire, and it's just because it's so soft. But what winds up happening is that you get a center piece that's got this sort of level of movement. That's a disaster on a stop motion puppet, because that will translate right out to the skin of the puppet as this kind of low voltage wiggle, and you'll be worried about bringing your hands to the puppet to animate it. So that's an absolute disaster.